Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Asco Collectors M5 2024. Let's explore what this stunning machine has to offer. Close-up shots of the car's exterior, focusing on its distinctive features. The M5's exterior is a masterpiece of automotive design. Its aggressive lines, sleek curves, and bold stance make it a head-turner. The mention-specific design elements, e.g. front grille, headlights, alloys, add a touch of elegance and sportiness. Interior shots of the car's interior, highlighting comfort, luxury, and technology. Step inside the M5, and you're greeted by a luxurious and tech-laden interior. The mention-specific materials, e.g. leather, Alcantara, seats offer exceptional comfort, while the mention-specific features, e.g. infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, provide a modern and intuitive driving experience. Shots of the car accelerating, cornering, and braking. Under the hood, the M5 packs a powerful, mention engine specifications, e.g. 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. It delivers exhilarating performance, with mention acceleration and top speed figures. The mention-specific driving modes, e.g. Comfort, Sport, Track, allow you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. Shots of specific features in action. The M5 is packed with features that enhance both performance and convenience. Some highlights include, mention key features, e.g. advanced driver assistance systems, premium sound system, panoramic sunroof. Shots of the car's most distinctive features. What sets the M5 apart is its mention unique selling points, e.g. limited production, heritage, customization options. It's not just a car, it's a statement of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. Final shots of the car driving on a scenic road. The Asco Collectors M5 2024 is more than just a vehicle, it's a driving experience. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and luxurious interior, it's a car that will leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. Remember to use engaging visuals to capture the audience's attention. Maintain a balance between technical details and layman-friendly language. Highlight the car's unique selling points to differentiate it from competitors. Consider adding a thumbs up or subscribe call to action at the end of the video. By following these guidelines, you can create a compelling and informative video review of the Asco Collectors M5 2024.